Today is spelling test day. That means that it's for your grade. This spelling test is worth the most part of your spelling grade, so you want to do your very best on it. This is what your spelling test should look like when it's done, with different words, of course. So these words won't be the words that I will give you today, but I should see 10 words with the X marked. For the vowels, I should see 5 words that are heart words with the heart marked. I should see 2 sentences with capitals and periods. I should see your nicest handwriting. And if you want bonus points, I should see the words that I give you put in ABC order, and then also a nonsense word marked with the asterisk and the vowel mark. To get those bonus points, you have to have all of that done. Okay, so very first, I want your paper to look like this. So you'll put your name on the top. You'll number your paper 1 to 10 and then 1 to 5. That will leave you some room for the sentences on the bottom and also some room for your ABC order and your nonsense word. So go ahead and hit pause while you make your paper look like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our spelling test. So number 1, I want you to write down map. According to the map, we turn left. Map. And remember, if I go too fast, just hit pause, or you can back up the video and listen again. Number 2 is hem. If your pants are too long, you can hem them. Hem. Number 3 is jog. Let's go jog on the track. Jog. Number 4 is rug. There is dust under the rug. Rug. Number 5 is mix. Add cake mix to the grocery list. Mix. Number 6 is cup. Can I borrow a cup of rice? Cup. Number 7 is kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Kid. Number 8 is cog. A cog in the clock was broken. Cog. Number 9 is kit. He bought a kit to build a model airplane. Kit. Number 10, cud. A cow chews cud up to 8 hours a day. Cud. Okay, so you should have your 10 words that you should have been able to sound out to spell. Also, make sure you have any markings on them that you need. Now we're going to go on with our heart words. So you should be up here at this part of the paper. Your first heart word is what. What was your favorite teacher? What? Your second one is were. We were told to go to lunch. Were. Your next hard word is one. I have one treat left from Halloween. One. Number 4 is from. I got a flower from my husband. From. Number 5 is word. She gave us the spelling word very slowly. Word. Okay, make sure you have 5 high frequency words or heart words. Make sure that you hearted the part that doesn't match with the correct sound. Okay, now we're going to do a couple sentences that have to be spelled correctly at the bottom. To get your points, don't forget your capitals and periods. The red gas can is on the van. The red gas can is on the van. Listen closely. The red gas can is on the van. Okay, sentence number 2. The fox can dig a den for his cubs. The fox can dig a den for his cubs. Listen closely. The fox can dig a den for his cubs. Okay? Remember, you can back up anything you need to listen to again. This is going on your grade, and it's worth more points than the spelling practice that you do all week. So you'll want to make sure that you're double checking it and doing your best work and also your best handwriting. Okay, I'm ready to give you some bonus words. So the first bonus words, you need to put them in ABC order. The bonus words are bat, box, and bin. Bat, box, and bin. Go ahead, write those down, hit pause, put them in ABC order, and then hit play. And your last bonus word is the nonsense word, cam. Cam. So look at your spelling test one more time. Also get a list of what's going to be graded on it. Use that to double check your spelling test one more time. Be super careful and then turn your spelling test in. I hope that you were able to do a good job and you'll all get great scores.